welcome to the weekly roundup for the week ending Friday the 4th of December. We hope you're enjoying these weekly reports, and please do subscribe to receive regular stock market content. Also, if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments box below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, we'd like to invite you to follow our free stock market reports on banking stocks, tech stocks, IPOs using the link in the descriptions below. So this week we've seen that vaccine optimism has continued to underpin risk sentiment. So investors have been looking to buy into riskier assets while selling out of that safe haven US dollar. The FTSE has outperformed this week. It's up 2.5%. DAX is looking to finish the week pretty much flat, whilst the S&P is looking to end the week around 0.7% higher. Now, the FTSE has been boosted by news that the UK regulators have approved the Pfizer COVID vaccine, with the rollout to begin next week. Now, that's also combined with Brexit optimism, which is boosting the pound as well as the FTSE. So this is quite an interesting phenomena that we're seeing. Usually when the pound gets stronger, the FTSE 100, which is full of international stocks, over 70% international stock who earn money abroad, they actually fall due to the unbeneficial exchange rate. But that hasn't happened. And I think the FTSE has underperformed its peers since the Brexit referendum. So sort of this hope that a Brexit deal is pretty much done, possibly, although I feel like I've been saying that for the past few weeks, is actually driving investors back towards FTSE 100 companies. Now, as I said, Brexit news, it's been very volatile across the week. We've had, they will, they won't. So we're still at that stage where there is a belief that, that a Brexit deal could be done as soon as this weekend. The pound is trading at 3-month highs versus the US dollar. It's gained around 1.2% across the week. So that really is a reflection that investors do believe that a bare bones trade deal at least will get done. Sticking with currencies, the US dollar is down at a 2.5-year low versus a basket of currencies. That's basically, as I said, because of the optimism surrounding the vaccine. So investors are no longer seeking out that safe haven protection that the US dollar offers, and also expectations that the Federal Reserve could ease monetary policy further in December is also dragging on the greenback. Euro US dollar, that's trading up at 32-month highs, well through that 121 level, again on the back of a broadly weaker US dollar. Don't forget, we've got the ECB meeting, monetary policy meeting next week. Now, with inflation really, or disinflation in the Eurozone, and disinflation is really proving to be a bit of a headache for the ECB, so they may try and talk down that euro next week. Just something to be aware of. They are looking to ease monetary policy as well. In the commodity markets, oil has been very much in focus. Oil has rallied over 2.5% across the week, and this is after the OPEC Plus group agreed to raise output in January by a smaller than expected 500,000 barrels per day. There had been expectation that they might be looking to try and increase by 2 million barrels per day. But let's not forget that demand still is lackluster, because although the vaccine is coming and we're sort of looking for it to be broadly available by spring next year, there's still this winter to get through, and there could be some more lockdowns to happen which could happen, dragging on demand for oil near term. Even so, oil majors have been a strong support for the FTSE this week. For example, BP has rallied higher on the back of rising oil prices. It's rallied 11% so far in December, and that comes after a 25% rally in November. Another big mover has been hedge fund Pershing Square. Now, they have been promoted to the FTSE 100 as from later this month. The stock has rallied over 70% year to date, and that's thanks to some well-timed bets over the pandemic, which have boosted returns. Another strong performer has been security firm G4S. Now, they've rallied 9% across the week after Canada's Garda World Security raised their offer for the firm by 24%, and that's pushed G4S to trade up at 2-year highs. Thanks very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, and if you've got any questions, do pop them in the comments box below. Have a great weekend.